Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Embrace Each Moment, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. All right, so for this card, we are going to be using Embrace Each Moment, and we're going to have the Embrace Each Moment sentiment and these hands. But the most exciting part is we have the new Stampin' embossing cut. So I'm going to show you how to make this card using this. Now I have the HIPPO and Friends dies. And I have a piece of silver foil sheet. So it comes with the diagrams of everything that you need. And number 4 is for 3D embossing. We're not using that. So we are going to use this for die cutting. And so I have the largest one of these. And then I have a piece of Whisper White. And this one, I want it directly in the middle, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And this is the first time that I'm using this, guys, so bear with me. I'm as excited as you are. And oh my goodness, it is going through like nothing. How exciting is that? All right, so let's see the final product. Oh, it cut through so easily. Look at that. Okay, so let me put these dies out of the way. I already love this machine. Okay, so let's start with our stamping. We're going to get this piece that we cut out, and I have my SMOKY slate. And then I have the little hands, and that's mounted on clear block C. And I'm just going to put it as high as I can, just like that. Then I'm going to come in with my Embrace Each Moment and put it right down there. All right, and that is all the stamping that we are doing. Our card base is Whisper White thick, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to take this. And then I have a piece of the Peony Garden Designer Series paper, and that's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. All right, and I'm just going to put it right here, and it's going to make a thin little border. So just like that, I'll give it a good rub down, and then put some more adhesive. I designed this card for my team design team. And so I thought I'd share it with y'all. I love that marble background, don't y'all? All right, so just like that, I'm going to bring in my silicone sheet again. And I'm just going to put adhesive in the middle. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. Alright, and I'm just going to put it here in the center. Now, from the holiday catalog, I have the beaded pearls. Look at how beautiful those are. And I'm going to get my glue dots. And I'm just going to adhere them down, and I'm going to put one here in the corner and then one here in the corner. So there you have it, a quick and simple Embrace Each Moment card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!